And they want me to turn left, go all the way around. Come on, come on, come on. They want me to turn left, go all the way around for 5 minutes. I'm not doing it. I'm cutting right over. Come on. So what I'm doing is cutting straight through. It's a little Leisure World cop truck pulls me over with a yellow light. Well, tough shit. You can't write me a legal ticket. They're not armed. I can drive right through here to my house. The stupidity is for the birds. A few days ago I had to knock this orange cone out to get through. I just ran into it and drug it across and backed up and got it out from underneath my truck. See, now I'm almost back to my house. New camera's working great. I'm getting 3 recordings